how to use Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we're diving into the world of Pinterest. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your Pinterest game, this video will guide you through the ins and outs of using Pinterest effectively. So let's get started. Well, first things first, what is Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual discovery platform where you can discover and save ideas for just about anything, from recipes and fashion inspiration to travel destinations and DIY projects. Now, to use Pinterest, setting up your Pinterest account is crucial. So the first step, step 1, is setting up your Pinterest account. If you don't already have a Pinterest account, don't worry, setting one up is easy. Just follow the steps we have demonstrated in our previous video. Once the account has been created, we'll jump to the step 2, navigating the Pinterest interface. As you can see, this is the Pinterest interface. Now right here, this is the For You page, and you can find different categories of pins. Now if you have or if you want to search any particular category or ideas of your own, then you can tap on this magnifying glass like icon from the bottom and type down your ideas right here. Search, and there you go. Once you're in, take a tour of the interface. Right here is a profile. Next, step 3, creating boards and pins. Creating boards and pins is at the core of Pinterest. Boards help you organize your ideas, and pins are the visual bookmarks you save to them. To create a pin, you can simply tap on this plus icon from the bottom. And now to create a pin, select pin. To create a board, select board. And go ahead and upload a video or photo that you want to post as your pin or board. Next, step 5, interacting and collaborating. Once you're on Pinterest, engagement is the key. To like, comment, or save any post that you like, simply tap on the post. Now to save it, simply tap on the save button. To leave a comment, type down your comment right here in the comment section. And that's pretty much all. There you have it, your crash course in Pinterest. Whether you're using it for personal inspiration or to promote your business, Pinterest is a treasure trove of ideas. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to us for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!